Alright, I was asked just recently whether having the muffler delete will melt anything around here, and it looks like if anything gets melted, it's gonna be this plastic piece right here. I don't have any signs of melting here at all. If you have a 350Z, you might have less room, but I'm not sure. I really don't think there's anything that'll get melted, but if you have test pipes on there, there's a good chance that fire might actually make it through the exhaust, and then something might melt. So let's see what that sounds like. Cool. Yeah. Could you see the flames?
I didn't see any flames, no.
So Ryan didn't see any flames. So you're probably gonna be just fine. But you're probably gonna get pulled over. Yeah, at least if you have test pipes. That is super loud.
You cleared out all the rocks from under there.
Oh yeah, it just blew them all away?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yep. Cool, man. Woo!
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.